Okay, be honest. Are you afraid of stucco? Are you? It's okay. A lot of people are. A lot of buyers are afraid of stucco, and because of this, a lot of sellers who have stucco are afraid, oh my God, am I not going to be able to sell my house? Or is it going to take me tens of thousands of dollars to remediate any stucco problems I have in the process? Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't necessarily have to be afraid of stucco. I've got a guy, actually a couple guys, Steve and Sal, father and son team, been in the business for decades. I was talking to them recently, and these guys are great. And Sal said to me, he said, stucco, it's like dogs. There's no such thing as a bad dog, only bad people that have dogs. There's no such thing as bad stucco. There's just bad stucco installers and bad stucco remediators. A lot of guys come in and they just want to rip everything out and replace it. And that's where the expense comes in. And they may not even fix the problem. So they're like doctors with a broken bone, either slapping on a Band-Aid, not fixing the problem, or just amputating. Well, they don't believe in that. These guys are builders. They're not just stucco guys. So they look at the problem and they fix the problem. And I've seen them save people tens of thousands of dollars in the process. So you don't have to have that terror when you hear or see stucco. If you're in that position where you're thinking about buying a home and it's got stucco, or you're thinking about selling a home and it's got stucco and you're really afraid, before you make a big move and spend a lot of money that you don't need to, give me a call. Until then, have a great day.